Welcome to the EMAC Technology Center. I'm Mike, one of the application engineers here, and today we will dive into the Milltronics 9000 series control. The 9000 series control is the latest CNC control from Milltronics, and it has improved immensely over the last generation, and we will show you a few of its capabilities in this video series. In this video, we will focus on the handwheel run mode function. Running your part program for the first time requires high attention and control to prevent any mistake. Handwheel run mode allows the operator to control machine movement by turning the handwheel. Let us show you. While the program is running, press handwheel mode. Start turning the handwheel and remember a couple of things. 1. The feed rate of the machine is controlled by the rate at which the handwheel is turned. 2. There is no backward movement regardless of the direction of the handwheel's turn. If you want to turn the function off, simply press handwheel mode off and press cycle start. It does not get easier than this. Remember, you can reach us on all social media platforms or simply call us for more information about Milltronics products. Thank you for your time, and I will see you in the next video.